All right, let's talk about the Sony BC-QZ1, the official charger for Sony's NP-FZ100 battery. If you shoot with Sony's popular mirrorless cameras like the A7 series, A9, A1, or FX3/FX30 families, this little charger is a must-have. Sony cameras normally charge through USB-C, which is convenient, but it's slow. The BC-QZ1 fixes that. It charges your NP-FZ100 batteries much faster, keeps them healthy, and gives you a clear LED indicator so you know exactly when your battery is ready to go. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for travel or event shooting. Just pop in the battery, plug it into the wall, and you're back in business. For photographers and filmmakers with multiple batteries, having this dedicated charger saves tons of time and keeps your workflow smooth. So who should get the BC-QZ1? Sony shooters who film weddings, events, interviews, travel videos, or anyone who runs through batteries quickly and can't wait hours for a USB charge. Why buy it? Because it's the fastest, safest, most reliable way to charge Sony's best battery, and it keeps your entire shooting setup running without interruptions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more camera gear videos.